Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadu and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you one website where we can create a very high quality business listing backlink on this site. So the website name is alladdress.us. So this is a website URL and this is a website dashboard. So before they started, we can show something about that website. So according to about that website or about this website. So according to Acharya, the domain rating is 51 and according to Moj, the domain authority is 13 and the spam score is 3%. So I don't know what is the connection between these tools. So Moj is showing 13 domain authority, Acharya is showing 51 domain authority. I guess Moj metrics are not accurate, so that's why I'm not relying properly for the Moj data. So this is about this website. So now we can start. Before that, if you are new on this channel, so please you can hit the subscribe and like button. So you will see this is a website dashboard. So simply you can click on the register for free. There is a multiple option. The first you will create your profile, add your company. So you can proceed with anything. The process is the same. Okay, so you will see, you will choose your free option. There you will add your company name. So company name is ADML training, and there you guys will add your category. So marketing is my category, and you will wait a couple of seconds. So this is searching your category. So marketing and consulting. So so you will search and add your category. There you will add your city. So it is Delhi, and there I will add my company address. So company address is this, and there I will add a zip code 110044, but this is Haryana. Let me check if is this available in this data. So okay, so this is for the US based website, so might be they don't have data for the another country. So if you are in the US, so this is a best website. So you will create your business listing backlink. So let me add any US city. So Richmond, California, Richmond, and there we will add address and V6. So this is a zip code, and you guys will add your phone number. Phone number is +9173034720, and there you will add your email address and your website URL. So website URL is this. So let me add there, and you will verify your captcha, and you will acknowledge the terms and condition, and you can click on the sign in button. So once you guys can complete these things, so you will see this is your registration is completed. So simply you can click on the go to pro company button, and there is a process to you guys will claim your account. So I will show you how you guys will claim your business profile. So you will see this is your data. So this is your listing. So you will see there is are you the owner of this company? So you can click on the claim it now. So thing is what is required. So you will create your profile. So we haven't created yet our profile on this site. So first we will create our profile, then we will claim our profile. So simply you can see this is our profile. So I can show you. So there is a registration button. You can click on this. This video is sponsored by Intensely. So every business should get listed on Intensely. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO. Quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlink to your sites. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link. So you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your businesses plus 10 of your clients. So there you can add your name. So my name is Prav, Yadav, and you will fill your email address. Then you can choose your password. You can acknowledge the terms and condition and verify the captcha. Click on the register button. Once you guys complete these things, so you are able to claim your profile, your business profile on this site. So you can see our profile is created, and now the time is to simply you can back this is my profile, how we can claim our profile. So I think might be this site can send you a verification email confirmation. So there is nothing, there is no our profile. So company category, how we will search, email address. So this is email training. So when we are creating our profile, the thing is to we can copy a profile URL because we forget, and there is no any option to we can retrieve our account. Okay, so thing is to we can again we will create our backlink, our business listing on this site. So simply you can click on the add your company button. And there you will choose the same process, same method. The first thing you guys will create your profile, then you guys will create your company. So there we can add our DML training and our category marketing, and we can choose our city, Richmond. So this is our city, and you will add your address and all the details. So there you guys will add your mobile number. So my mobile number is different, so +91 034 720, and there you guys will add your email address. So what email you wanting to show? So simply I can add my email address. So this is email address what I wanting to show, display what I wanting to display, and there you guys will add your website URL, and you can verify the captcha, acknowledge the terms and condition, and after that you will click on the sign in button. So you will see your profile is created. So simply we can click on the go to company button. So this is our company profile, and our company is claimed. We have claimed, and you will see this is your business listing landing page URL, and I can show you in incognito. So this is instant approved backlink or not. So let me check if anything is missing. So everything we have completed. So let me show you in incognito. So this is instant approved business listing backlink or not. So you will see this is our company name and all the details what we have filled. So this is a process for the business listing on this site. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts on the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project and suggestion, So I can provide my social details of the description section. From there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from your side. So okay yaar, bye bye and take care.